Hello, my digital planner friends. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to do a plan with me for the month of July. We're going to use a vacation kit. If this is something that you like, please make sure you hit that like button. It lets YouTube know that this is something that's really awesome and show it to other people. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single one of these videos. If you're new around here, my name is Brandi Reed and I'm with 3 Nail Faith, where I create digital planners, digital devotionals, digital stickers, and prayer Bible supplies. Let's get to planning. All right, so let's get started with our July plan with me. Can you believe it's already July? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we are going to use the vacation sticker kit. I'm going to zoom in so you can see it. We have our scriptures. We have some little cute notes that you can make with some little flip-flops. A prayer list to do, our washi. There is our date covers. We've got our icons and emoji for feelings and weather. Then we have our date covers. I don't think I'm going to use them again this month. We have some decorative icons and our sayings. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and close that out because I like to use the Elements tool. It's my favorite. I'm going to close it out so I can have 3 showing and pinch in again so we have the full July showing up. All right, I'm going to start with my week covers. Remember, tap it till it kind of raises and drop it over. Okay, we got to pull, remember, pull out, and that will make your screen larger. I like to use the photo tool so I can get this extra, because if you're just using the Elements tool, you just only have that, and sometimes it ends up like that and you can't get it straight. So I do like to use the photo tool. And we're going to shrink it down a little bit. Not necessarily perfect, but where we are in the box. Do you have any big summer plans? Let me know in the comments if you're going anywhere fun this summer. My daughter just went on her senior trip. She got to go to the beach with some friends. We are hanging at the house this year. But I am glad to have the kids home for summer. Okay, so I got my date covers in. Let's see, we've got this very long line, so let's go ahead and pull, let's see that, I think I'm going to use this. See how it's not really wanting to be straight very well because we're on the Elements tool. And it just locks so nicely in with that photo tool. There we go, that washi is super cute. I think I'm going to leave these clear and maybe decorate them with some decorations. And I want, past it. There it is. It's a light color this time. That's probably why I couldn't find it. Copy. I like to have my start and end weight for the month. We're working on that. Okay, let's see. We're going to start, as always, with Sunday. We have church. planner. We need to find the planner. I really wish GoodNotes would fix that, where it hides. Sometimes it hides them. But I did find that if you slide over, it works better. And maybe it just, well, normally it does. Of course, today, because I'm videoing, it's not going to do it. But usually, that makes it work better. There it comes back. They're just wonky. Take the good with the bad. And we're just going to go ahead and paste all these in. And let's see, I want to have my little, where's my flags? There they are. I think I'm going to use the blue. I guess I probably should have checked to see what my coffee was, because we have, you know, my coffee chat on Monday mornings. Go back up and see what my coffee looks like. I may have to change. Yeah, well, no, it's all right. Not coffee chest. I think I'm actually going to make that white today, and maybe a little smaller. Come on. Resize. We're going to make it a little smaller. Not that small though. Color. Now I want to do white to make it stand out just a little bit there. There we go. And we're going to copy. Let's see, we have Bible study on Wednesdays. You know what, I think I want to do a flag this time for that too. Let's see, let's do this pinky color. And remember now, GoodNotes, its new feature, you can tap, you can hit arrange, send to the back. So now this one can go right on top. It's so nice to have that feature. Bible study. And we'll move that. Let's make that a little smaller. There we go. I think I like that. Change it up a little bit. We have the 4th of July on Thursday, so let's put July. Let's see if we can do something fun with that. Let's copy it, paste it, color it blue. Yeah, I like that. Now let's see if we can resize both of them, make them bigger. There we go. And we have payday. Let me find my payday. There it is. Payday on the 11th. Copy. And the 25th. So let's look for pay bill. Which color do I want? we haven't used this. Well, that's green and green. Let's do this one. Pay bill. Copy. Paste and match. And it's the weekend. Coming up on the weekend stuff. Weekend, because weekends in my world start on Friday. And we have family time. On Saturdays. I love how easy it is just to copy and paste things with digital planners and how you can just move things easily. And all right, I want a prayer list. Oops, I think I bumped it. Prayer list. And I want a notes, not a to-do. Let's see. Yeah, maybe we'll put a to-do list on there. Don't know that there's really too much to do this month, but we're going to put it on there. And I'm going to make that go all the way to the edge of the paper, like that other one. Okay, well, let's put a decorative piece, maybe a verse. Where's the verses? They're up here. I just love this one. Hence the reason I made the sticker. Okay, now let's decorate. And of course, my decorations decided to disappear. Because it's always the decorations that decide to disappear. Let's see, we can put this guy right here. I don't have a lot going on in the summertime. Let's see if we can get them to pop up. There we go. What do I want to do? We're just going to do put these cute little guys on these Tuesdays. Because I don't usually have much going on Tuesdays. Do I want to decorate that top line? Let me move that back in since we don't really need it. Again, always working with let's see what this does. And then we'll put we're going to just copy that one, paste. I'm going to stick this right here for just a second because I want to color it, but I want to do a custom. And because it's so easy to just grab your colors now, I am just going to, that's why I haven't added, I'm afraid that is actually going to be let's see what happens because of the fact, oh no, that looks pretty cool. Because it's so easy to just grab with that tool now, I don't give the hex color codes anymore because it's not really necessary because it's so easy. All you have to do, in case I did that too quickly, July. Then we're going to go to our lasso tool, lasso it. I'm going to make it a little bigger so you can see easy. Then we're going to hit color, go to custom, grab your little eyedropper, and it's going to pop up. And then you can, and it'll automatically do that. Then you can just tap. And there you go. You got your custom. Now, my question is, did it save it? Let's see if it saved it. Hello. Come on. Come on, let go of that. Okay, let's see if it saved it as a color. No, it did not, because that's not the, but that's okay. We don't need that. Anyway, that is what our monthly layout's going to look like. So if you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. That really helps my channel, by the way, by just giving that thumbs up to let other people, to let YouTube know that other people may like this video too. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel so that way you don't miss a single video. And I'll see you the next time. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.